We've seen a couple of Oracle updating tasks making use of Gelato, but here we have one that's being used in a little bit different way. This is a pair oracle, so something that could be used with like a swapping protocol. We've got 2 tokens and 2 variables in each pair, price 0 cumulative last and price 1 cumulative last. Those are storing the prices of the 2 tokens multiplied by a length of time in seconds. So the cumulative nature means that they are ever increasing. In the update function then, this is where it's automatically updating these accumulated price values. So they're making sure that a required amount of time has passed since the last update, and then they're calculating price averages for these tokens. You'll see they noted that those cumulative price variables are UQ112 by 112, which just means that the result is a fixed point number with 112 bits on either side of the number. So they're dividing by the time elapsed and then wrapping it. And this basically creates a time-weighted average price for that period. And then it's resetting the variables for the last calculated cumulative price, so we can do it all over again. A little mathy, but pretty interesting calculation stuff in this contract, and it's really cool that this is happening on Gelato Network. Thanks for watching Gelato Sunday, and we'll see you next time.